Namaste. Welcome to the Bharatiya Defense Reporter.
Bharat on Thursday announced its participation in a mega connectivity project in the Maldives that will overshadow the Maldives-China Friendship Bridge as the most visible project in the island nation. The announcement, accompanied by a financial package of $500 million, was made by External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar during a video conference with his Maldivian counterpart Abdullah Shahid. The Maldives will be the first neighboring country, in keeping with her special ties, to qualify for an air bubble to facilitate the movement of people from both sides for tourism and medical emergency, Jaishankar said at the meeting. Bharat also agreed to provide urgent financial assistance to the Maldives, the first such aid to another country to deal with the pandemic. Bharat's participation in the Greater Malay Connectivity Project (GMCP) is in keeping with its declaration of expertise in completing infrastructure projects of the kind required by smaller nations. Recently, Bharat completed the Supreme Court building in Mauritius, another Bharatiya Ocean island country with which diplomatic ties have been intensified. Once implemented, GMCP will render the Chinese project insignificant in comparison. It will help in demonstrating Bharat's overarching presence through a high-visibility project in the Great Malay region and showcase Bharat's expertise in conceptualizing and implementing a complex infrastructure project of this scale. The project will connect the national capital Malé with eastern islands Gijili and Gulhafu, where a port is being built under the Indian LOC, and Thilafusi New Industrial Zone. Jaishankar also said a cargo ferry service between Bharat and Maldives will begin shortly. Bharat renewed Maldives quotas for the supply of essential commodities ranging from potatoes and eggs to river sand. Bharat's total financial commitment in the Maldives, covering all loan and grant projects, is well over $2 billion, all of which have been announced after the President Soli came to power in November 2018. Apart from the project, Bharat is helping out the Maldives in all possible ways, with tourism and fish exports coming to a grinding halt in March. The Maldivian economy is under immense strain, and its president personally called up PM Modi to seek final assistance. To help shore up its foreign reserves, India has provided $150 million to the Maldives, and it can avail another $250 million till July 2021. The Maldives have been the biggest beneficiary of Bharatiya aid during the pandemic. Bharat donated 5.5 tons of essential medicines, help in evacuation of Maldivians from Wuhan, provided 580 tons of food aid, and deployed a medical team in the Maldives during the pandemic starting time.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.